We're here to celebrate the groundbreaking for our newest facility.
This is the first time in 20 years that we've opened a new factory. But even more exciting is the fact that this is a magma factory.
This is a monumental undertaking for the company, the first new greenfield in more than 20 years, and the revolution that is capable of transforming OI into the future.
They are building a 163,000 square foot manufacturing facility.
OI has been a first-class company to work with from the very beginning, and they're going to treat their teammates and be very engaged in the community. So we could not be more excited than we are.
What a fantastic day for our region. OI Glass bringing a revolutionary glass-making facility to Warren County and Bowling Green.
We are changing the face of how glass is made and sold all over the world, and we're going to be doing it right here in this plant.
I am beyond excited to be able to lead OI's newest facility and proud to be here in Bowling Green.
Today we're here to celebrate the creation of 140 new full-time good-paying jobs for Kentucky families.
Bowling Green is an excellent choice for 3 important reasons: location, location, and, wait for it, location. It's located in a place that's extremely friendly to business, and it's also located in a place that has a strong emphasis on workforce.
Probably a tough decision when they look nationwide to try to find their next manufacturing plant, but I'm very confident that they will be so glad that they've located right here in Warren County, fastest growing city and fastest growing county in Kentucky.
We could not be more excited to expand our footprint right here in Bowling Green. We have been welcomed here with open arms, and we see great opportunity to grow together as a new member of this community.
Today is a day to be in the moment for OI. It is the culmination of so much work from so many teams across every function in the company, from legal to tax to engineering to communications. And so if there's a day for celebration and excitement, I'm not sure how it gets any better than this.